Make them happy when skies are gray with Confection Couture Stencils. When using royal icing, position the stencil over the cookie surface. Place cookie magnets beneath the stencil to hold the design flush to the surface. Cookie magnets on top will hold the stencil in place. Next, get a thicker consistency royal icing in a tapered baker's spatula. Take a small amount on the spatula and spread it over the top of the design. Scrape the excess off the spatula and spread icing through the rest of the design. After stenciling, you can airbrush another color through the stencil for more flair. Load the airbrush with black amethyst food coloring and test it out on a piece of paper towel. Airbrush a light coat through the top of the stencil until the design is completely covered. When you're done, remove the cookie magnets and lift the stencil off the surface. Repeat for each design by lining up the stencil, placing the cookie magnets, and spreading the royal icing through. Then, just airbrush a coat of food coloring and lift off the cookie stencil. Take your time when spreading the royal icing, but try to spread it in as few scrapes as possible. Be sure the food coloring doesn't pool on the surface of the royal icing while you're airbrushing. Then remove the stencil. Use the When Skies Are Gray stencil from Confection Couture Stencils for your next batch of cookies today.